We're often taught on any coaching course that we attend Whitmore's Circle of Learning, which tells us that someone moves from being unconsciously incompetent through different stages until they are unconsciously competent. However, how the hell do you apply something like this? Do we have any influence over it? This just looks at the learner's experience rather than the coach and learner dynamic. It states that we move from being unconsciously incompetent, i.e., what does this mean? It means I don't know how crap I am. Then I become conscious of how crap I am when doing a new activity. Then, with thought, I become consciously competent. And then when it becomes second nature, a motor pattern, something I can do much more easily, then I am unconsciously competent. That's what this model illustrates. Problem is, how do we apply it to coaching? Well, in fact, what you don't want is you don't want this. What you do want is this. Andy's Circle of Coaching Awesomeness. TM. So this is how it works. You, as the coach, demonstrate and explain correct technique. Then you spot and observe any faults in that technique. At this point, you now give feedback to the learner so that they understand what they're doing. And this will form either visual, auditory, or kinesthetic feedback, or if you're good, a combination of all three. And then the important part, the feedback loop. Now, these things can be going on at the same time. So these things are simultaneous. So while you're demonstrating a technique, you're observing to see if anybody is making a fault. As is this. You're also then giving feedback. This is a much more sensible and much more usable approach as a coaching model than Whitmore's model of learning from '96. What you really need is Andy's Circle of Coaching Awesomeness.